Hey guys, welcome back to the Jersey Peach. Today is the 14th of August and I'm going to be out here in the yard. Today I got the fan on, so if you see my hijab blowing in the wind, that's why. It's a hot day, but I'm excited and I have a harvest to do, and just with preparation and just making sure my yard is aesthetically pleasing. It took me a little more time than I wanted to get out here and hang out with you all to do this grand harvest, and I hope it is going to be grand. I am beyond thrilled. I know I hadn't seen you guys in some time, but from the time that you all last seen me until now, I have done a harvest on some beans that I picked to use for peas I'm going to store. This year, just as a reminder, was my year to do everything that had a long shelf life, and so that's what it's all about. I am stocking my shelves this year, and so I wanted to do some different things, and it's been very adventurous, I must say. So I did, these are Taylor beans mixed in with a little bit of dragon tongue beans. And let's see if I can open one for you. I've never been one to do beans for, it's tedious. I've never been one to do beans for shelling. Not against it, it's just they always look funky to me, and I'll show you what funky means. But my goodness, there's such a beauty inside. So even though that is an ugly outer, look at how pretty the inner is. Absolutely gorgeous. Here is the remainder that I have to do. And this is what I mean when I say it's an ugly outer. So if you did plan on doing any beans for shelling, don't be discouraged by this. This was a lesson for me this year as well. I am notorious for growing beans for the stringing bean type, to eat the whole thing. And again, this is my first year doing a shelling pea. And I almost missed these beauties because I was judging the outside instead of the inside. So look, they're pretty. They're so pretty in there. I may do it again next year. Hey babe.
Yeah.
Grab one of those beans over there that's dried up. You want a scissor? Because that whole plant can actually come up. Here, babe.
There's loads of ants on there.
The ants are crawling on it.
Yes. No.
Just grab me one, the one with the pink showing on it. Yeah. Good job. Good job. Thanks, babe. I'll show you one of these things. I actually have one right here. But this is one. This is a dragon tongue bean. And they're really, really tasty if you eat these for the entire bean within the season. And I just have it out here just sun drying. And show you what it looks like inside. That's what it looks like. I'll add that to my collection. Absolutely. It was really fun, but we have so much to do. So much to do. You guys ready? Let's get to it. I'm going to show you. All right. So with the season quickly approaching to start to lay down your fall harvest, this is my quarterly run. Today I'm doing about the fertilizing, and let's see, I'll show you. I have this container full of fertilizer, my little combination that I love to use. That is my compost area slash volunteer area. And I just got a new compost bin too that I have to add in here. But today is feeding for everyone and then harvest for others. So these are my sweet potatoes, and they're very skimpy right now. That's because they were protruding out of the ground. Today we're gonna pull them. I got some help out here and I'm excited about it. Got plenty of peppers, plenty, that are just aching to be pulled. Have some cucumber in here. If you remember, this was the tomato area. This area is going to be revamped next year. Below it was the carrots. They're still there. I did leave one tomato behind. At the top of the hill, I have another fertilizing bin. And I have some eggplant up here with the baby eggplant. Let's take a peek in there. They're right in there. Have the purple hull beans. They're doing well. Some chives. Herbs is always doing well. The bees are still out working their shift. I have a late watermelon plant over here in the corner that is doing whatever it wants to do. Let it be. Gonna harvest some of this pineapple sage. Herbs are here. And just look at those peppers. I mean, just look at them. And look at this no good fella. Look at him. Look at him. He's just in there. You see that caterpillar? He's marching. Yeah, get out of here, buddy. I had to knock him down. Echinacea is doing very well. This loofah is wild, absolutely wild. Constantly having to redirect it. And there's a whopper of a loofah. Not harvesting that. I actually keep that for the loofah. Especially when you're taking from, you gotta make sure that you're giving back. this little boost gets these loofahs going. That would be ideal if I could get them going. My Asian long beans are starting to come too as well. I may even harvest some of them. Got some Asian long beans back here. You see that? I'm sweating. It's hot. I'll check on the baby and see how he's coming along with his beans. He has a little song that he's singing over here. Don't ask me what the song is, but it's making him happy while he's shelling his beans and stuff. As long as it works for him, this fan is working for me. And I think the fan is working for him too. Grab us a seltzer, babes.
Ice pops?
A seltzer.
I'll get ice pops.
Seltzer. Very much needed. Very much needed. You have to make sure we stay hydrated out here. And I love sparkling water. Not to mention I'm like overdosing on green today, right? Like green seltzer. I got the green on. Even when I go out, I got a green purse. I took all your space?
No. Well, a little bit. I didn't take all of it. I think the sludge got on my drink.
I have to take a break. It's hot out there. Oh gosh, it is hot. I got a lot of peppers though. I'm gonna grab these cucumbers. I think I got all the cucumbers I could get. I must say, shelling these beans is it's something. something. It's therapeutic, for sure. Babes, let's put the container for the trash there, okay?
Mm-hmm.
You just throw your trash on my side, huh? This is a good idea with this fan. What you think?
Mm-hmm.
'Cause it's hot.
It is hot. If we didn't have this idea, we would have been burned.
We'd have been burned up.
Mm-hmm. We would have been rotten eggs.
Rotten eggs.
Rotten steamed eggs.
A lovely way to spend time with your babes. And this, babes, is mama's babes. Saying that right, babes?
Mm-hmm.
What you got, babes? Your chair is falling down, huh? Come on, guys.
Get this. Mm-hmm. All this work, all this work for beans.
Did you eat some beans last night?
Yes.
Did you like the beans?
Yes. You made those beans.
Yeah,
They were good beans.
I know you like beans, don't you?
Yeah.
I'm gonna make these too.
That's why we're doing all this hard work.
That's right. Where does your food come from?
Garden. Back there.
Comes from back there.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't come out of a toy box.
No. Some
know.
you order, like pizza that you ordered.
I ordered pizza. Okay. But your main food comes from the garden, huh?
Mm-hmm.
It's also like best to make sure your children know where real food comes from because it gives you the muscle, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Where's your muscle?
Muscle man.
So we're gonna shell these up, get these done. I'll show you the finished product when I'm done. I'm not gonna bore you with this because you want to see what I got over there. I know. So excited that you guys could hang out with me today and get some of this stuff done. Can't wait to see the haul that I bring in and the turnover that this fertilizing today is going to give just as we push the last bit of this season out. My first frost isn't for a while, so I have a while with some of these guys. So that's why I'm feeding so late, because I know that I'll still get some things. I don't know what kind of insects those are, but they're freaking me out. Okay, I'm gonna go and do it. I'm gonna tell you now. I don't want to do this. I always miss all of my plants when it's time to pull them up. I'm gonna miss them, but I think it's time. A lot of them are peeking up at me. So here we go. My sweet potato harvest. Got a nice one. This one is nice. that one, we have 4. Maybe more. No way. Much more than 4 in here. My goodness. There's so many. And this one, I think this was a good decision for today. Close back on. I thought I had 4 on that one plant. These things are so deep. They are monstrous. Well, we're gonna have to do a part 2 to this. They are in here. You gotta get in here. Oh my gosh. You gotta come and see what I see. They are in here. I'm fighting. Look at these. They are gorgeous, and it's more past there. Look at this baby. Look at this baby. And this is off of one friggin' plant. This baby. Man. What is up? This is off of one plant. And it's still more. Getting smaller. But still giving. I want to say that I got all from that plant. I want to say that. We're on a new plant now. Okay, let's get at them. say? This was a very fun plant to grow. These vines mean business, don't they? Okay. This corner, 4. Look at that. Just look at this. This is one. And this plant is still giving. I have to tell you what, my bucket is full. Right. Oh boy, hard work. Look at all these darn sweet potatoes. That's that big one. Look at this. I didn't even pull a half of them up. You see that? I only pulled up that section, and that's what all that gave. I still have all this to go. Woo! All right, we are in the last bit of sweet potatoes. Oof, I'm breaking them. Goodness gracious. Ugh. And as always, my other glove was never around. ants are trying to get me. I may have gotten them all. No, I hadn't. There's another pillow here. Breaking these things up. Okay. Let's hope I finished. Seltzer. I have to take a break. It's hot out there. Oh gosh. Get these done. I'll show you the finished product when I'm done. I have a while with some of these guys, so that's why I'm feeding. The inside.